When people think about constructing a new site-built home, some worrisome images can come to mind. Maybe it's a picture of men working long hours with materials scattered all around. Or maybe it's a hallway-constructed frame that's still sitting unfinished. When developing a site-built home, getting the job done can take a long time. That's because all materials, from pipes to plumbing to shingles for the roof, are brought to the site of the home and assembled there, and this process can take months to complete. Manufactured homes, on the other hand, have a much more streamlined process. A manufactured home is completely assembled indoors at an off-site facility, then transported to its final destination for installation. Because of this, weather delays and other outdoor construction woes never slow down the building process, ensuring homes are able to be built quickly and efficiently, often in a matter of weeks. This means plenty of savings for customers, who also benefit from factory-built homes buying materials in bulk instead of one-time, custom-sized purchases like site-built homes, which significantly drives down cost. The best part? With a manufactured home, you're getting double the quality assurance. That's because all prefab homes are required to meet federal safety regulations as well as local and regional ones, not just local and regional like a site-built home. With lower cost, quicker turnaround time, and a more regulated construction process, it's no wonder manufactured homes are the housing of the future.